Are you feeling trapped in a downward spiral of sadness and despair? Do you have days when you can't seem to pull yourself out of the funk? If you are feeling depressed and don't know what to do, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we are going to look at a variety of achievable steps for how to get out of a depression. Let's get started. Depression is a serious condition that can be incredibly hard to manage and make it feel like it's a struggle to get out of bed in the morning. The stress of dealing with a depression can make you feel overwhelmed and make it seem impossible to take any action. The most important thing to start with when dealing with depression is to talk to someone. Find someone who will help you to identify your feelings, such as a friend, family member, therapist, or doctor. Talking to someone you can trust provide emotional support and a safe place to express yourself. It can also help to create an action plan or strategy for overcoming your depression. You can start building tools to manage your depression. These can include activities such as yoga, mindfulness and meditation, or counseling and therapy. These can help you to identify triggers that lead you to depression and help to develop new strategies and behaviors to cope with them. Another important tip is to set realistic goals for yourself. Make sure to set goals that are achievable and reasonable. This could be anything from making your bed each morning to taking a walk in the park. Achieving simple tasks is an important step toward feeling better about yourself and your circumstances. Taking care of yourself is an important part of managing your depression. Make sure to get regular exercise, eat regular meals, and get plenty of sleep. Make sure to also set aside time for yourself to relax and do activities that you enjoy, such as reading, watching movies, or listening to music. Finally, establish a strong supportive network of people to rely on. Having people around you that are willing to listen and help when you need it can make all the difference. Find someone you can confide in or join a support group that is tailored to people living with depression. Living with depression can feel overwhelming and isolating, but you don't have to go through this alone. There are steps you can take to manage your depression, such as talking to someone, building tools, setting realistic goals, and taking care of yourself. Together with a strong supportive network of people, you can learn to manage your depression and start feeling better. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family, and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our latest videos.